scan these guys. Dude, your hair's fucking ugly. I don't want to show you. I'm gonna scan these guys real quick.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. It's 6 months later from the first clip that you guys saw. We're gonna be prepping for a car meet, and Carlos is right here. He's pulling up the car. I'm just gonna film a quick little vlog because I got a 5-hour flight.
Alone, every night alone. Why am I alone? I know that you want me to. Am I wrong? Tell me that I'm wrong.
Alright, I got a Rise and Shine, but it's not a Rise and Shine. It's like a custom Rise and Shine, like Carlos is, or a farmer for the meet. Alright, we got it. Let's try 1 through 10. Rated 1 through 10.
Alright. It's hot.
Is it good?
It's pretty good. It's alright. It's whatever. If I would have made it. If I would have made it, because I wasn't.
Wow. Thank you, Alex.
Tell her that I need her. Yes, I should stay where I belong. Cause once you make it back to your happy home, well, I'm alone. Every night alone. Why am I alone? I know that you want me.
Alright, we're going to the car meet now. We're running a little bit behind. We're going to Carlos's house. We're gonna follow his dad. The R32 doesn't have any plates, so we're just gonna follow him. But the meet starts in about 15-ish minutes, 20-ish minutes. We might show up like 10 minutes late, but yeah, we got the ethereal sticker. Ethereal sticker on the car right now. It's kind of hard to see at the back, but it actually ripped. The E actually ripped in half. So we're gonna put another one on Carlos's at Carlos's house. But yeah, I'm driving there right now.
I don't go out, but I'll do it for you.
Alright, we just got here. Hey! Nice seeing you. We have to care about one. 32. Oh. Jesus. BBS's? R32's up. Alright guys, we're going to the meet.
My sweet baby honey buns. She give me to carry on.
Do you know if you put your hands in your ass,
That's why I couldn't do my more.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, right guys.
Oh shit.
So, this fucking guy, I don't know who the fuck he thinks he is. Not him. He thinks that the workers into
Cheers. I told this fool.
Exactly, might see this.
What we were talking about is the great customer service this young lady.
Amazing customer service.
She was beautiful.
Baby girl, you know that I got you. You're always there for me when I'm feeling down. You brighten up my day when you come around.
Everyone's here, and this guy fucking is 20 with me. Look at this guy.
Baby girl, I can't get over you.